Jag heter Geraldine Joy Eriksson.
Och jag heter Virginia Halkevist. Och jag jobbar som städerska i 20 år.
Och jag har jobbat som städerska i över 10 år nu. Och vi jobbar på Fint och Fresh Städ Service. Vår chef heter Jakob Borg.
Ja. Städar hemstäd, flyttstädning.
Storstädning, industristäd, kontorsstäd, trappor och allt möjligt inom städning, fönsterputs och så.
Yes. Och vi är jätteglada att rekommendera vår familj och relatives att jobba med.
Vi hoppas att de får jobb hos er på SOL för att kunna hjälpa deras familj själv i Filippinerna.
Vi ser fram emot att de får jobb hos er i Finland.
Och de är verkligen väldigt intresserade att jobba hos er på SOL i Finland.
Yes.
Tack så mycket. Kiitos.
Good day. We are the applicants from the Philippines.
My name is Gilbert Bayarong.
Gabilo Bayarong Jr. Kison Bayarong.
Lilian May Lokyao.
Shara Joy Pacle.
Norilyn Selga.
Victorina Bahesta.
And we are looking forward to be part of Soul Company. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Norilyn Cividal Selga, 28 years old, living in the Philippines with my live-in partner and our 3 kids. I have 3 years of experience in cleaning because of my past job as a housemaid in my country, which requires maintaining cleanliness. I also used to work as a sales clerk at the supermarket, which requires cleaning, organizing, and excellent customer service. In my past jobs, my employers and customers have given me positive reviews on my performance. So I can say that I'm not only good at cleaning, but also great in dealing with different kind of people. I have read that SOL is a leading service industry company with a high level of customer satisfaction and a good reputation as an employer. That is why having this opportunity to work in Finland is a dream come true and a big help for my children's future. Because as you may already know, that living here in the Philippines is really difficult. I am hoping and praying to be part of your company so I can learn more and be one of the almost 14,000 Happy Soul employees. Thank you!
Hi, my name is Gilbert Lucina Bayarong. I am 34 years old and I live in Philippines with my wife and our kids. I graduated in Computer Technologies from Asian Institute of Computer Studies. I have 2 years experience in housekeeping in Saudi Arabia, and I believe that a clean environment brings a happy life. I also have experience as a helper in installing aircon and repairing devices and other appliances. And I work also in healthcare as a reuse technician in a dialysis center, and I believe access to basic quality healthcare is one of the most important domestic issues facing our nation. I am hardworking, disciplined, and a good person. I am also a quick learner because I am good at observing and listening and can work under pressure. I am hoping to work with you for the good future of my family. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Lilian May Lokyao, 25 years of age, and I live here in the Philippines with my partner and my son. As a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management, I have acquired a solid foundation in hospitality operations, customer service, and business management, preparing me for a successful career in the industry. I have a 1 year and 7 months of experience in Jollibee Foods Corporation as a manager and 1 year as a service crew. I began my career as a service crew member where I developed strong customer service skills, attention to detail, and the ability to work efficiently in fast-paced environment. Over time, I progressed into a managerial position where I lead teams, manage daily operations, and implemented strategies to improve both productivity and customer satisfaction. I am excited about the opportunity to bring my diverse experience and strong work ethic to your company in Finland. and I look forward to contributing to the success of your team. That would be all. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jason Lustina Bayarong, 29 years of age. I live in the Philippines with my partner and my son. I graduated as a Bachelor of Science Hotel and Restaurant Management. I have over 2 years of experience working in warehouse operation. I began my career as a warehouse clerk, where I was responsible for managing inventory, receiving and dispatching goods, and ensuring the smooth flow of orders. I also got promoted as a team leader. I was responsible for overseeing a team leader, ensuring tasks were completed on time, and maintaining high standards for quality and safety. I also have 1 year of experience as a helper of technician. We help them install aircons, repairing a television, and other electronic device. Throughout my career, I've focused on fostering a positive work environment while maintaining a high level of accountability and teamwork. I believe my background in warehouse operations, combined with a leadership experience, will allow me to contribute effectively to your team. That would be all. Thank you.
It's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Vitrina Bahesta, 33 years old. I live in Pangasinan, Philippines. I'm undergraduate of Hotel and Restaurants Management at Urdaneta City University. I have got experience in sales executive for 1 year in Dubai Mall and waitress at the Chinese restaurant. I am hardworking, self-motivated, and a multitasker. These are my strengths. That's all about me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Gabino Bayarong Jr. I'm 31 years old. I live here in the Philippines with my wife and our one daughter. I have 5 years experience in Shakey's restaurant. I started as a kitchen staff and they promoted me as a team leader because they see my hard work, my dedication in loving my job, and my loyalty in the company. And I'm proud to say that my contribution in the company is to teach and to train a newly employees, and I also have 2 years experience in supermarket as a butcher, and I do cutting chicken by parts like legs, wings, and breast. I'm a hardworking person. I work fast and cleanly, and I also a fast learner, and I love to learn new things. And I work as a team because teamwork is the key to success in the company, and I like the challenges because I learn from the challenges. So I choose Finland because Finland is a safe place and cleanliness country, and I love the environment and also the nature. So hopefully I can go to work in Finland, and that's all. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shara Joy Pakle. I'm 30 years old, living in the Philippines with my mother and nephew. I have an experience in cleaning for 3 years here in my country. My past job is a cashier and sales clerk, and I'm currently working as a store crew that requires cleaning, organizing, and excellent customer service. I've read that Finland is the happiest country in the world, and I want to experience, learn, and explore more. As a dreamer, it's a dream come true to be there and work to an amazing country. Hopefully, I'll be part of your team soon. Thank you and have a good day.